Hey everybody, welcome to Draw with Jen. My name's Jennifer Farley and I'm an illustrator and an author, and today you and me are going to do some drawing together. I think it would be quite fun if we had a go at drawing this guy. So, pretty cute little snowman with his hat and gloves on. So all you need is a piece of paper and a pencil or a marker, or if you like to draw on a tablet or on a computer, that's fine too. So let's get started. Okay everybody, let's get going with our cute little snowman. I'm going to use my Sharpie marker, but you use whatever you like. Pencil, crayons, paint, markers, anything is good. So this little snowman is obviously out in the cold, so I think it's nice for us to give him a little hat and scarf to keep warm. Not so warm that he melts, but warm enough so that he can stay outside for longer. So let's start off with the top of his hat. So I'm going to draw an arc around like this. That's going to be the top of his hat. Now I'll draw a little bit and then you can draw a little bit, and don't forget that you can stop the video and draw along with me that way, so you can start and stop, whatever's the best way for you. Now let's give him a little bobble at the top of his hat. So draw it kind of like a little cloud there. Now the top of his hat is here, and we are going to have the band of his hat go across like this. So an arc, and then let's draw down like this, another little arc, and across. This is going to go all the way across his head, and we'll curve it back around like that. Now this is a knitted hat, so let's just put a few lines down. That makes it look like it's got a bit of texture, and it's a nice handmade hat for our snowman. Okay, next thing is a big circle. So let's start here. Go around in a big circle like that, bring it all the way back to there, and that's our snowman's head. I'm going to give him two cute little eyes like that, and a lot of snowmen and snowwomen have noses that are made out of carrots. So let's draw a carrot shape, something like that, and then I'm just going to do couple of little lines like that, and that sort of gives a little bit of a carrot texture to the nose. Now let's have a smile on this little guy. So let's pretend that it's made out of little black stones, or could be buttons maybe, and we'll bring the smile up like that. Okay, he's looking good, he's looking happy. Next thing is our scarf, or his scarf. So I'm going to draw a little curve down like this, then bring it around, and then we'll curve down from here. Okay, so that's the top of his scarf, and the part of his scarf that's folded under, I'm going to bring it down like this. We'll give it a little fringe, and let's bring it back up to here. And then there would be another piece of scarf. Let's bring that down. It might be a bit shorter. So something like that. Now I'm going to give this scarf some stripes, which would be nice for colouring in. So we'll just make some lines down like that, and some lines across like this. Okay, that looks like a nice warm scarf. Now we need a body for this guy, so let's draw another big circle. I'm going to go from the top of his, or the bottom of his scarf, and let's bring the circle all the way around. And we'll just make it a little bit flat at the bottom, and then bring it back up so that it meets the scarf, something like that. Okay. Now, this guy is going to have two arms that are made out of twigs or sticks, So let's draw them coming out the edge here. And we'll draw a few little twiglets. So it kind of almost looks like a hand. And we'll bring that back to there. And then over the other side, same thing. Okay. So maybe this one has another little twiglet, might make it look like he's got a thumb. And we can bring it back to here. So there's his arms. Now the best snowman, of course, will have some nice buttons down the front. And you can choose whatever colour that you like to colour those in. And I always like to draw a little line under my characters, because what that does is it makes them look like they're on the ground and they're not just floating in space. So this guy, he might also have some other snowballs of various sizes nearby. So maybe we'll just draw in a few little snowballs there. Something like that. Okay, so that is our main drawing done. We could give him some eyebrows. Eyebrows are great because you can give some really great expressions on your characters. So let's give him some pretty happy. He's pretty happy. Eyebrows. Now that I've drawn him, I'm going to do a bit of colouring. He's mostly white, but there is a few little things that I'm going to colour using my Sharpie marker. So I'm going to make his arms black, okay? Even though they're made out of twigs, they could be brown, but I'm just going to colour this in with black. Now I'm going to give him some nice little rosy cheeks. Because even though he's out in the cold, he's got his hat and scarf on, so he's nice and toasty. Okay, now he also needs an orange carrot nose. Now let's add a little bit of shading to his hat. So to do that, I'm going to use a darker colour. In this case, I'm going to use a purple. And we just add a little bit on one side of his hat. Okay, so that completes our snowman. I think he looks very handsome there with his hat and scarf. And the last thing we do, because we are the artists, is we sign. So don't forget to sign your lovely drawing. And I hope I'll see you again on Draw with Jen next time. Bye!